Hola guys! Babiyahe na kami from Hong Kong to Macau via land trip. So sinusubukan namin mag-land trip kasi gusto naming madaanan itong longest open sea fixed link in the world na bridge going to Macau from Hong Kong. So ang ginagawa namin, we took the bus from Hong Kong. It's just the nearby Hong Kong Disneyland. And then, we took the bus going to Macau. So, ito na, naglalakbay na kami. Nakasakay na kami nito ng bus. And you are seeing now the open sea fixed link na bridge. And in this bridge, makakita tayo, dadaan tayo mamaya ng undersea tunnel, sa ilalim ng tunnel, guys. This from Hong Kong to there, it would this bridge, by the way, is a 55-kilometer long. So ayan na guys, we are approaching now the tunnel. As you can see, papasok na tayo dyan. And this is, as what I have said, uulitin ko, 55 kilometers stretch ito. Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau Bridge. And now, andito na tayo exactly sa undersea tunnel. At itong undersea tunnel, makakadaan tayo ng mga artificial islands. Itong Lingding Channel, Pearl River Estuary, Jiuzhou Channel. So, itong Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, by the way, mini-maintain ito ng National Immigration Administration ng mainland China. So, pag alis mo ng Hong Kong, mayroon silang dadaan ka ng immigration. Pag daating mo rin doon sa Macau, of course, mag-i-immigration ka rin, ano. So, this tunnel consists of 3 lanes per direction siya. So, ginagawa ito nung 15 December 2009 ang start. Nag-end siya ng February 6, 2018. So, it's about 7 years siyang ginawa. Ang cost ng construction nito is $18.8 billion. So, nag-open siya noong October 24, 2018. So, ano pa lang siya? 2024 na ngayon. Mga 5 years pa lang siya, guys. So, still, talaga siya, maganda siya, madaanan, and ma-experience, So, hindi siya mahaba, hindi naman siya mahirap mag-land trip through the